Are you also manually creating ClickUp tasks for your Facebook leads? Then you are wasting your time on the task that can be completely automated. Yes, you heard it right. You can automate this entire process by creating an automation using an amazing automation tool that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your whole business. So here I'm going to fill this Facebook lead ads form where I have provided all the details of my leads, having the email test@pabblytudes.com, first name test, last name lead, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form. Now let's move on towards my ClickUp account to check whether we are receiving a task over there with the same lead details or not. So right here I'm on my ClickUp account where you can see I'm successfully receiving this task having all the details of my Facebook leads, and here you can check out the description consisting the name, email, phone number and the city of my lead. So now you have seen as soon as I have filled my Facebook lead ads form, the data is automatically captured and a task is created over my ClickUp. So now you can also create this entire automation by using an automation tool that is Pabbly Connect. And the best thing is you don't need any coding skills for creating this automation. So now let me show you how I have created it by using Pabbly Connect. So for that, let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating this automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user, then you have to access Pabbly Connect by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for creating and testing this automation for freely. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the flow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger, and now you might be wondering what is this trigger. So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles, that is trigger and action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads. Now let's select the app event as new lead instant. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here I'm landed to the connection page where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building the new connection you just have to select this add new connection. Now let's click over this connect with Facebook lead ads, and here I'm going to select my Facebook account as I have already logged in it. So I'm going to just click over this continue, and again I'm going to click over this continue button. So make sure to firstly log in your Facebook account for getting a smoother experience. And here on my Facebook account I'm going to receive my new leads in this particular page named as the magic makers. So I'm going to select it over my Pabbly Connect. So from this drop down I'm going to select the page which I have recently shown you. Now I have to select the form through which I want to receive this new lead. So here I'm going to select my form as new leads, and if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. Now let me select new leads. Now here I'm going to select my response format as simple so that I can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, let's move on towards my meta for developers page with me, and here on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools which you have to select. And now here I'm going to select this tool, that is lead ads RTO debug tool, which will lead me to the lead ad testing tool page where again I'm going to select my page as the magic makers, and afterwards I'm going to keep my form as same. Now I have to delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on the test mode. And here you can see that my lead has been deleted. Now we just have to click over this preview form button. And here I am getting this form which I have filled, providing the email, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this data of the lead over there or not, as we have recently built in the connections. So right here on my Pabbly Connect, 13 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields and the details of the lead which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now as soon as someone will fill the form, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And now I am going to use the second principle, that is the action app. So here I am going to create a ClickUp task. So I am going to search for my action application, that is going to be the ClickUp, and here you can see that I am getting this application. Now let's select the app event as create task with custom fields. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here I am landed to the connection page. Before building the new connection, you just have to enter this API token, and for getting this API token, let's move on towards my ClickUp account with me. So right here I'm on my ClickUp account, where on the profiles we are getting this option for settings which you have to select, and here on the sidebar we are getting this option for ClickUp API which you have to select. And here you can see that we are getting this API token which I'm going to just regenerate. So here I have entered my password. Now let's confirm it, and here I'm going to copy this API token and paste over my Pabbly Connect for building the connection. Now we just have to click over the save button, and here our connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the workspace. So from this top down you can select your workspace, and afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the space. So here I'm going to select this space, that is leads, which I have created inside my ClickUp account. And now here I'm going to keep my folder as same, but you can select it according to you, and here my list will be same as well. And now here I have to enter the task name. So here I'm going to provide the task name as new Facebook lead, and afterwards I'm going to enter the name of the lead which I have recently received. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the lead name like this, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to manually type the details of my lead, and that method is mapping. So now you might be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my user's name from the response which I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash symbol, and from the response of the Facebook lead ads I'm going to map the first name of my lead, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. So here I have mapped it. Now let's provide the description too. So this is the description which I'm going to add in this particular task. So here I'm going to map all these details, including the name, email, phone number and the city. So here I'm going to map all these details, and here I have provided all the details, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single form submission received over your Facebook lead ads. And now we are getting all these fields, and here for this field of the due date I'm going to keep it as no, and for the start date time I'm going to keep it as no again. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request for sending this data to the ClickUp, and here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which demonstrate that a ClickUp task might be created. So now let's move on towards my ClickUp account with me. So here you can see that I'm on this particular space, that is leads, and here I'm going to select this folder, that is lead details, and here in this particular list I'm getting this new lead having all the details which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form. So now you have seen I have created this amazing automation by using which I'm creating a ClickUp task for my Facebook lead ads. So now you can also create this amazing automation by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and automate your whole business. And not only these particular applications, you can integrate thousands of applications by using Pabbly Connect. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.